Welcome back to WTVA 9 News at 6. I'm Craig Ford. Emily Leonard is on assignment. Students in the Booneville School District returned to school this week with guidelines to keep them safe from the spread of the coronavirus. WTVA's Keandrea Malloy has a rundown of the efforts being made to keep students in school and not quarantined at home.
I'm standing outside of Booneville Middle School where students wrapped up their second day of school. Now, I spoke with the superintendent about what they're doing to keep students safe now that they are back in the classrooms.
We love your children and we'll do whatever's necessary for them to be successful in life.
Like many schools this year, masks are not required, but Superintendent Todd English is still encouraging his students to do so.
Wearing masks is not about politics. It's not about inconveniencing people. What it is about is keeping a kid in school because we have to address the learning loss.
He said the district will issue a mask mandate if it is necessary based on quarantine numbers. If students have to quarantine, they'll have access to virtual learning.
We're dealing with things like positive cases and things like that. We look at vaccination status and we also look at whether they were wearing a mask or not. And that matters when we're trying to decide who needs to quarantine or not.
He said students need to keep in mind close proximity to their fellow classmates to avoid a potential outbreak. And all students must wear a mask on the school bus, and English told me that all these plans came with input from the Mississippi State Department of Health. Live in Booneville, Keandrea Malloy, WTVA 9 News.